What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, by the title you can already tell that I am going to be doing the watercolor method, and I am going to be trying to dye my hair pink. I'm looking for more like a bubblegummy pink, like in between hot pink and bubblegum pink. So I got this water already. I did a strand test on these two pieces right here. So this is what I got so far. This is the color I'm really going for. So I'm just gonna put, I have two things, well actually I have four. I have four things of hair dye. I got two cotton candy and two hot pink because they had maybe like four pink colors, and that's just the ones I got. So I filled up this tub with warm water. I binge watched so many tutorials and stuff on this, and I feel like I got it down packed by now. I don't think you can go wrong with this. The only thing you can do wrong is probably color it too much. So that's the only thing I'm nervous about. It's just getting the wrong damn color or not getting the same color on every bundle. I'm sorry you guys can't see the water. It's just no way for me to be able to show you guys with the way my camera and stuff is set up. I'm sorry. I tried so hard, but it wasn't working. So I just did like a few squirts of the hot pink and then the, what is this called again? Cotton candy. And I'm just stirring that up. And the water is warm, like I said. Yeah, it's still warm. Thank God. This water has been sitting here for like an hour. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna do my frontal first. So this is my frontal. Let me give y'all the specs. I think this frontal is 20 inches, maybe be 18. It might be 18. Yeah, so this frontal is 18 inches. I got an 18-inch 613 frontal. And I have 3 bundles of 613 hair. This one is already unraveled a little bit, so that's why it's not as, neat. But this is what the bundles look like. Let me show y'all. I think this is the longest one. I'm gonna do this one last. So I'm gonna go in order from the top of my head down, just in case the colors don't match. It'll just look a little better and not going from light to dark. I'd rather go from dark to light. Alright, so let's start off with the frontal. I was going to originally color the frontal by hand because I was afraid that maybe my lace would get messed up, but I don't think it will because it's such a light color. And it's already turning pink. I wanted to do pink because I don't know, I just felt like that'll just be so cute, and I didn't want to do red, and I know I didn't want to leave it blonde because what is the point of getting 613 bundles if you're not gonna dye it, So I'm gonna let that sit in there for a couple more seconds. It's already turning, and this hair is so soft. This hair, you guys, all the hair y'all see me wear and stuff will be for purchase in the upcoming months. So if you like the way this 613 looks, I got you, sis. And I'm also going to be sure to leave all the videos and all the YouTubers that I stalked while trying to figure out how to do this in my description box, so you guys can check them out as well, because this is my first time doing it. So if you want to take a look at somebody who's done it more often than me, then you can do that. Let's see. And this has literally been in here for maybe like, I don't even think it's been a minute. Ugh. This is giving me magenta. Let's see. So with hair being wet, it's always going to look a little darker while it's wet than what it really looks like. So I'm gonna put a little more of the cotton candy color in, stir this around, and I'm gonna dip my frontal again because it's not all the way pink in the middle. This works out really well. I'm gonna do this for every single thing, every single color, you know, unless it's like a really deep color. But this is what it looks like. Let me show y'all. This is what it's looking like on camera. This looks so pink. It looks so pink under the light. It's not that pink, but it probably will be once I dip it this second time. Let me see. I kind of like it like this though. Well, no, I need to get the middle. Damn you, middle. I'm gonna just dip the frontal because the ends are really pink. So I'm gonna just dip the frontal. I'm just combing through to make sure the pink is on every single strand, and it looks like it is. Yay, this is so cute. So in the middle is not as pink as the sides, which is fine because I'm gonna wear it in the middle part anyway. But the good thing about frontals, as you guys know, is you can really just do any hairstyle. Yeah, so cute. All right, so moving on to the next bundle. I'm going to start with this 20-inch, and I'm going to just dip this straight in. I'm about to put just a little bit more color in. I feel like after every bundle, I'm just going to put in like a little bit. And I'm only going to do the next 2 bundles, and then that'll be it for this video. I'm not going to do all 3 on camera because you guys get the point. And I'll be making my wig probably in the next couple of days. I've never made a frontal wig before, so I will definitely not, y'all, I'm sorry if y'all wanted to see that, but I will definitely not be recording that. Absolutely not. I don't even know what I'm doing. So this is one of them things where you can just figure it the fuck out. That shit, I really might, you know, cry or something while trying to do it. But once I learn, y'all, it's gonna be on and popping soon, because then I won't have to wait on nobody else to make my wig, and I can have it when I want it. Be sure to wear gloves, you guys, when you do this, even though I got water and stuff in my gloves. But especially if you're doing a really dark color, it's just pink, so I'm not tripping on getting it on my fingers. But when you do a darker color, be sure to wear gloves. Always wear gloves, because you don't want to mess up your fingers or your nails. All right, I'm gonna just press this down like I did the frontal. This is so crazy and fascinating to me, but it's like I've seen so many people do it. I'm just so glad I'm being able to do it myself now. This is so fucking cool. And I'm gonna open it up, flip it around, you know what I'm saying? Oh, this is bubblegummy as fuck. So this is more bubblegum pink right now. It's not as pink as my frontal, so I need to put it back in there. I think you're supposed to see like the water get a little lighter after each time. I don't know. I haven't really seen the water get lighter, but I have a lot of water in here also. That's why I'm adding so much color, because I just kept filling it up with water, more and more water. So I didn't want the water to overpower the color and, you know, the color not take, so I put some more. If you're nervous about this, I do suggest you do the strand test. That took a lot of stress off of me. Honestly, I just cut a piece off and then I cut it in half and then I just tested it out. Alright y'all, so I'm about to dip this one more time in here for a couple more seconds just so it can match the pink on my frontal, and then I'm gonna do my other bundle on, one more bundle on camera, and then that'll be it for this video. But you guys can see the final product on my Instagram whenever I decide to make my wig and post the picture. So if you guys like this video and you want to see me do more watercolor techniques, different colors, just let me know. I will love to take you guys' suggestions on what colors you guys think would look nice and what would be interesting to watch. So just let me know. This is my second bundle. I think I'm about done with it. Yeah, I'm done with this one. All right, you guys, one more bundle and then that'll be it for this video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment of a color suggestion down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. As always, my social media handles will be on the screen after this one. Be sure to check out my Instagram in the next couple days. If my wig is already made by the time this video goes up, I'll be sure to pop that across the screen so you guys can go check it out on my Instagram. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.